Hey guys, how you doing? And welcome to another video. So the BGH1 is no more. And to be honest, I had a love-hate relationship with this camera. I mean, I really loved it. I think the image coming out of it was good, battery life and that was absolutely amazing, but there was just too many things wrong. I had to find too many compromises. Even when I was working, trying to rig it up and stuff like that, there was far too many compromises. With the Atomos Ninja V, it wasn't a good experience. And, you know, some of the ambassadors said that, you know, it's not really a problem the way that you record RAW with the BGH1, etc. But I found it to be a massive problem in the fact that you can't control your settings in RAW. And so whilst it did well, and we've done most of our movie in the BGH1, and I've done loads of tests and work and stuff like that, I decided it's time to part ways. So it's gone now, and I've actually bought two new cameras. When I say new, they're kind of old, but one of them I bought brand new, the other one I bought used, and I couldn't be happier. Right now, at the moment, I couldn't be happier. So I just want to tell you about the first camera, and it's the Olympus OM1 Mark II. And yes, this is a very old camera from 2016, 2017, I believe, something like that. But the camera's amazing. Like, you know, a lot of people have been going on about it lately, including Nigel Barros. And it wasn't because of him while I bought it. It was actually because of a guy called Geeky Nerdy Tech why I bought it. But the reasons why I bought it were contrast and phase detection autofocus are absolutely amazing on this camera. This is the autofocus that I've been wanting. And yes, I know we don't use autofocus that much, but sometimes when you're doing gigs and you're running around and doing quick shots, the autofocus can be a lifesaver, and the Panasonic just wasn't up to it. Mechanical and digital IBIS. Again, I'm a guy that doesn't really like to use gimbals. I have bought a gimbal recently, a Ronin RSC2, and it's a fantastic gimbal, but I'll only use it if I have to. So having fantastic in-body image stabilization is absolutely amazing for me. And I didn't realize actually how good it was and the reason why everyone goes on about it. Absolutely game changer. Flip screen, so when I'm doing things like YouTube or recording myself, I don't need to rig it out like I did with the BGH1. I can just flip the screen. And then there's lens compatibility. Because it's micro four thirds, I can put a myriad of lenses on here, including a lot that I already own, like the Olympus, the Sigma, the Helios. All of them can be adapted with speed boosters or not, so I've got so much option here. And then finally is the price. At £485, I got this from WEX or WEX. In the box, it come in mint condition, absolutely amazing, happy, so happy. So my first couple times using this, yes, it's really nice, body is light, it's very strong, it's weather sealed, so I've got a weather sealed lens and body on here, and I just don't find no problem with this camera, absolutely amazing. And yeah, I just love carrying it around. I'm just trying a few autofocus tests here, so I'm focusing on this little R2D2, then on this laptop, and then I move over now to my son when he comes in, and you can see it on his tracking him. There's no problem here. The face detection autofocus is absolutely amazing, but the face detection not only works on human faces, it actually just works because you've got like a 271 point autofocus system, I believe. So as soon as you switch back to something else, it will just automatically grab focus. It is just absolutely amazing how good this is for such an old camera. Amazing. As we know, it's 8-bit, so I tried a few different looks here and a bit of grading and stuff like that. And the bit rate is 273 megabytes per second, I believe. So you can push it around a little bit, not too much, but I wanted to see if I can get a film look here. And then also going outside, if I was covering any events or anything like that, then to see how it would look as well, and just give it a quick light grade. And to be honest, I'm really happy with the picture. I've no problems with this picture at all. Absolutely amazing. Now I want to talk about, you know, rigging this out as well, because obviously I'm a filmmaker, I'm a cinematographer, that's what I want to be. I don't really want to be running around covering events or shooting, you know, stuff for other people. I want to make films. So naturally, I want to try and see if I can rig this out. So you can see on this little crazy rig I built here, it's a bit mad and I think it's a bit overkill, maybe especially with the matte box, but I'll just put it on there just for show. But yeah, as you can see here, at the heart of this cage, I've got like this PD Movie Live Air universal cage, which just attaches to the bottom via a 1/4-20. And then we've got a hot shoe at the top here where it screws into. And I've got my Nitsi Stinger handle, the mini Stinger. I've got a small rig mount on the top and then a Fotga monitor and then the tilter matte box. And I think it looks nice. It looks a nice little compact rig, but the thing I like about this the most is that I can quickly break this down and then go back to normal if I want to go handheld. So this has solved a massive problem for me in terms of my filmmaking, you know, that I don't have to keep rigging up the BGH1 and I can use this for quick run and gun. And yes, it's only 8-bit, but you can do a little bit with that. But I'm gonna have to do a second video because I've actually bought a cinema camera now as well to go alongside this one. So if I want to do anything, you know, kind of serious, I will have a cinema camera for that, and then this will be my run and gun camera. So guys, I'm not going to keep you too long. I don't want to talk about this too much, but I just wanted to show you, yeah, my first camera which I bought, and in a couple of days I want to show you the second one. So let me know what you think, guys. What do you think of the Olympus OM1 Mark II? I think it's fabulous, and I can see a lot of YouTubers are starting to get back on this camera now. And yeah, I just think it's amazing. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.